Alright, so imagine you are backstage at a massive concert, and you are just about to step out onto the stage. Before diving in, though, it's essential to understand how intricate sound engineering is, and I'd like to make an analogy here. Just as a sound engineer has their tools and approaches to ensuring the concertgoers experience only the best sound quality, similarly, with your tech background, analyzing logs with Custo query language ensures you get the most out of your IT environment. So, let's chat about dialing into the world of advanced log analysis on Azure using KQL. Now, you've no doubt seen logs for basic system information, but imagine you can use this tech to turn an overflowing sea of data into a crystal clear dialogue. That's what KQL can do when fused with Azure's log analysis capabilities. First things first, what does KQL do? It helps to parse through the relentless torrents of data produced by cloud services, apps, and infrastructure like a pro. By leveraging KQL, we tap into a high-powered SQL-based language that's not just about data extraction, it's about drawing out crucial patterns, trends, and anomalies, giving us control over our data with precision that SQL just can't match. Now let's get to the strategy. When you are on this Azure journey, it's imperative to have a coherent plan, much like a concert plan. We are talking about using KQL to understand our logs, find the real insights, and make informed decisions on the fly. But to get there, we need to grasp KQL's syntax and its way of thinking, which is where the fun starts. 1. Identify the scope of your queries, target just what you need, just like sound is focused through a good speaker. 2. Employ query optimization. Much like how an engineer optimizes sound for the audience, tailor the result sets for your needs, avoid unnecessary data. 3. Utilize the rich set of analytical operators KQL provides, akin to a mixer's array of volume and tone controls to tweak the sound experience. 4. Implement effective indexing strategies like crafting the right amplifier settings to avoid feedback and keep the sound clear and focused. But knowing all this doesn't make you a maestro until you can hit a few troubleshooting codes, right? So, let's take a look at the common hitches and how to smoothly keep the concert going. First, you might be dealing with syntax errors, like a poorly tuned guitar string. It's crucial to validate your KQL queries before executing them. Another issue could be related to performance lag, like a cranky audio mixer. Sometimes queries can drag. You should refine them, simplify complex clauses, and ensure your indexed entities are up to the job, like calibrating your equipment. If you are not getting the desired auditory response, it might be time for more granular tweaking in your data access paths or restructured logic akin to adjusting faders and effects sections for a perfect sound mix. And that's how KQL can be your lead-off act in mastering log analysis on Azure. By utilizing its features, mastering its syntax, and troubleshooting its common missteps, you are set to extract golden nuggets of information to secure the health and performance of your IT environment. And trust me, with KQL in your tech toolkit, you'll be the star of the show when it comes to leveraging data. Now that you know it doesn't get better than KQL's prowess, I highly encourage you to visit neeraj.io and subscribe to my TechLab to gain even more insights directly into the hands of tech maestros like you.